All right, everyone, here's the recipe to these battered shrimp. Now, I have done breaded, but never battered, and it reminded me of a fair type food where they batter it in that liquid form, and so I'm excited about that. And I've done it with a tartar sauce, but I've also done a cocktail sauce, and I will link that down below in case you guys like the red sauce over a tartar sauce. Here's what you're going to need for this recipe. 1 bag of the raw, uncooked medium shrimp. You'll get like 40 of them. You'll need the almond flour, organic coconut oil, eggs. For the tartar sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, pickle relish. Make sure it's pickle and not sweet relish. Pink salt, pepper, a fry pan, a tablespoon, and a 1/4 cupper. Let's get it into a fry pan with 3 tablespoons of coconut oil on a heat higher than medium. And let's get the almond flour ready. A 1/4 cup of almond flour and 2 eggs. Let's give it a good mix. And then let's add in our shrimp that we've washed up really well. Add heavily pink salt, light on the pepper, give it a good stir, and then use your fork to put each one into the batter. And you'll see here, it looks like something out of a fair. After it's done, flip them over. Look at how delicious those look. Now let's make the tartar sauce. 3 tablespoons of mayo and 2 tablespoons of pickled relish. Mix it up and set it aside. When all the shrimp are cooked, let's put them on a plate, add the tartar sauce right in the center, and it's ready to go. Now, for my plate here, I did add that side of that broccoli salad I did for my treat video, and this whole thing came to 7.5 net carbs and absolutely delicious, especially being cooked in that coconut oil. It definitely tasted like a fair food. You guys got to try this one out.